Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. We are at Carowinds and we're going to go for an indoor ride. It's called Boo Blasters and it's right ahead of us. It's supposed to be an indoor dark ride. It's kind of like a shooter game, but not really shooter because it's like ghosts or ghost spells or something like that. I haven't actually ridden it, but it says ghost eviction in progress, no trespassing, Boo Blasters right there. And we'll bring you inside with us for the full ride. Stick with us for the ride, and then we'll do a little review like we always do at the end of the ride, let you know what we think of Boo Blasters. So hopefully it's going to be fun. I hope the air conditioning is on in there. It's a very hot one today, but that's all good. The lines are short, so pretty much a walk-on. See you when we get on the ride. Nice theming. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we're going up front. I'll get in the... Yep, get right on in. Sitting up front. Looks like we have a spirit gun. Oh, no, not yet. Oh, all right. Thank you. All right. I think ghosts. That was Ronald there, a very helpful attendant. Shout out to Ronald if you see this one. Okay, shoot the targets, Becky. So far, I have hit nothing. It's hard to see. Yep, I think I got something. Oh no, you're getting some shots in. You're killing it, Becky, killing it. I'm rapid firing, but I don't know if my gun works. mine's making noise, but it's not registering hits. You're racking them up. Nice. I don't know if my shoots. Oh. Okay. Wow, this is the most difficult blaster game I think I've ever played. Listen to that gun, I'm rapid firing it. That's like one hit. I think it shoots low. It's like a low shooter. Or you gotta be really close. The theming's great, and it's ice cold in here. It's like an ice cold AC ride. We may have to give this a second go in a different car and just see if we get a better score here. Oh yeah. Wow, that was loud. I mean, I'm taking like 100 shots here. Oh, really dark. Shoot, 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 shoot. Wow. Holy smokes. Wow. We were blaster wannabes. You got 2 hits and I got 1 hit. That was the worst shooting I think we ever done. The handle goes low spot right there. And we may have to give this a second go. I don't know. Yep. Oh, we can come. What did he say? What did he say? Oh, yeah, come on up. I don't know. I don't know if it'll stay up. Oh, it did. It just didn't lock in yet. All right. All right, Boo Blasters. I gotta say, the theming was off the chain in there. Yes. awesome indoor dark ride. I had a great time in there. Really, we did a lot of trigger pulling in there.
My finger was getting tired.
We didn't hit a lot of stuff, but that's okay. That's not what it's about. It's just about a good time. It's a nice family ride, and I thought it was great. I mean, really, the ghosts were great. That scream, you're at one point you're like,
yes.
Is that a real person?
I thought it was a real person.
No, that's
like, oh.
That's really good theming. So no, we had a great one. Definitely check that out on a hot day. Ice cold AC, great little ride. The staff was friendly too, no problems there. All good. So thanks for joining us for this one. We'll have more ride videos out soon, and we'll see all our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers on the next one. Bye everybody.